In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Binance. So guys, let's get started. Now first, if you're using mobile phone, just go to your Binance account. Then once you are there, just tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of your screen. Next, under your profile, you need to scroll down and tap on settings. Then under settings option, come down here and tap on appearance. Then next here, we only have two options, light mode and dark mode. Now you need to select a dark mode, and as you can see, dark mode is enabled on my account. Another easy way to enable dark mode on your account, while you are on your profile page, you can tap on moon icon in the top right hand corner of your screen, and still dark mode will be enabled on your account. And now if you're using a PC, you can turn on dark mode without even signing into your account. All you need to do, just go to Binance website. Then once it opens, just click on moon icon in the top right hand corner of your screen, and dark mode will be enabled on your Binance website. So it's that simple. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.